Hello, I'm Rotarian Dr. Priya Oberoi. We are here in Mandapam through Rotary District 3011. This is first time in the history of Rotary that the Rotary District 3011 is showcasing a very good public image over at this very big platform of Bharatiya Vyapar Mahotsav. I am taking care of the dental initiatives in which we are trying to educate people, we are trying to spread awareness and the maintenance of the oral hygiene. We are being blessed with this Rotary van through Rotary District 3011. In the school programs, we are visiting the schools and doing the fluoride application, which is very much essential for the prevention of the dental caries, which after taking the parents' consent, we are applying the fluoride varnish, and we are at the same time we are educating the children how to take care of their oral hygiene. So I'm very much thankful to the Rotary District 3011, our District Governor, Rotarian Ajit Jalanji, for taking this superb initiative. Thank you so much.